White hair to black permanently in 3 days, naturally with this simple way. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will share with you an effective remedy to turn white hair to black hair permanently. First, we need 3 tablespoons of coconut oil, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 'Then mix all the ingredients very well. Now apply a thick layer of this oil on your scalp. Apply in this way, which you start from the roots of your hair and massage your hair gently in circle motion for 5 minutes. Leave this oil on your scalp overnight, then wash it next morning and rinse them well. Oh, finally! I hope this remedy helped you too. Please share this video with your friends and family, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel and thumbs up for this video. Oh, and turn on the bell icon to get notifications once we share a video.